prom queen is Kimorakiaira.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No, I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were gone, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment for life. Y'all, prom is stressing me out like already. It's a week away. Today is Sunday, March 30th. I started my vlog like last week. I didn't like it because everything turned out wrong. I had a blonde wig. I recorded the video clips. I'm gonna put it in there, but I had a blonde wig. I ended up toning it and dyeing it with a honey blonde because on TikTok it was like black girl blonde. In the video it was like tone it with honey brown or either mocha color of adore hair color. So I ended up doing it. It was really good just blonde by itself. So this was the hair originally how it was before I added the dye. So I tried to add like red highlights in it, but once I did that it ended up coming out like pink and it wasn't actually red for real. I ended up going to the store and buying red dye. This is how it ended up coming out. I feel like from this angle, bro, it looks good in the style, but in person it's still like pink. I have this wig. It is a black wig, and if the blonde doesn't work out, we're just gonna go straight black for prom. It's the next day. My package did come. Clock T, clock T, clock T. This one's a little opening. So first thing I got, this right here. This gonna go around my arm. So it's like a little arm thing. I'm not gonna open it and take it out of the package, but this is what I got. I got these. These are like diamonds. I'm gonna put these in my hair, and I'm also, don't judge me, I'm gonna glue them on my body, like up here and stuff like that, because I want to be razzle dazzly. So this gonna go in my hair and on my body. And then I got these right here, these covers, because my dress is very revealing, so we're gonna need covers. I'm gonna probably have to cut, bro, no way my camera just died on me. But like I was saying, I'm probably gonna have to cut them in half because my dress is like really revealing, so it's like I won't have enough space, and I don't want you to be able to see them. But we're gonna see how big they is. God damn. Oh my god, is this too small? Yo, I bought these in the size small. Is these too small? Girl, I don't know, child. These look like the extra large to me. But yeah, we're definitely gonna cut. I kid you not, if you are thinking about getting the Sony ZV-1, please don't get it because the battery level is terrible. I have three batteries and they don't hold anything at all. We're not gonna talk about them covers no more because I don't know who those for. They ain't for me. Okay, finally. So this right here, this is like a veil. Hopefully it matches my dress, but I'm gonna have this on. It looked way bigger on freaking SHEIN, bro. That's why they be scamming, bro. But it's gonna be up here in my head. Girl, I look like a y'all know them people. I ain't gonna say nothing, but it's gonna be up here in my head like this, going down my dress. So if I have a hairstyle, it's gonna be a pin up, and I'm probably gonna have to put the thing back here like this behind my pin up or something, girl. I don't know, child. We're gonna figure it out. I'm still gonna do the pin up regardless, I think. And next, for the after party outfit, let me hurry up before my camera dies. Let me stop speaking on that. For the after party outfit, since I'm wearing red, I wanted to keep my red color. This is the shirt I got. Period, honey. Period, 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 honey. And I'm gonna find a skirt to wear, I think. Oh, but I'm about to go ahead and cut this camera off because, baby, it doesn't want me talking to y'all right now. I want y'all to hear me out because I've been going about life like I'm not supposed to be recording. Like, I've been doing everything and never recorded anything at all. So I'm gonna explain to y'all what I've been doing since I haven't been recording. So as soon as my camera died while I was showing y'all my shirt, I ended up trying to make some jeans to go with the pants. I mean, to go with the shirt that I showed y'all. So I had made these blinged out jeans because I had these jeans in my closet and it just wasn't, I don't know. But I had made these blinged out jeans that's gonna go with my red shirt right here that I was trying to show y'all. And I ended up cutting the sleeves off and like cropping it a little bit. So this the shirt. Cause I hate when SHEIN be having them big old long sleeves like down to my elbows. Like, come on now. Okay, after that, I ended up going to the outlet mall and I bought me some Timberlands. Bought me some Timbs. So I'm gonna try that on because I haven't tried like the whole outfit on together with the Timberlands yet. So that's what I'm gonna be doing and then I'm gonna show y'all. But the really bad thing that I haven't been recording, I did my hair and didn't record. Like, today is Friday. No, actually today is prom day. For real. It is Saturday. It is 12:33 and prom is today. So I ended up doing my hair. I just got done doing my hair not even like 40 minutes ago. So I'm gonna show y'all my hair because I was, bro, my diamonds falling off my head. But I knew they was gonna fall off. I just was putting them on for my video that I was making for my prom close friends. So I just put the diamonds on just because. Yeah. So this is my hair. And then I bought these earrings from the hair store that I'm gonna wear to prom with my actual dress. I'm gonna show y'all my dress tomorrow because I promise you I'm really tired today. Like, that is why I did not record me doing my hair, because I was doing hair all day. I was doing stuff all day. I dropped my sister off. I went to go pick up my prom ticket. I went to some stores. Like, mentally I was tired, so the camera was the last thing that was on my mind, for real. But I'm gonna try this outfit on and I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Okay, excuse my room because, like I said, I've been going crazy all day, so I was trying to clean it up before I got in the shower. But yeah, I'm taking my pictures. I'm gonna find me a little wall. So I gotta find some poses to do. But I probably tie my shirt up like this right here. Not like this, but I don't know. Something like maybe this side up or something. Just to give it like a baggy, but kind of crop look or whatever. But TT. And then once I have makeup gonna be done, makeup gonna be tea. I really hope my makeup eat because the girl I'm going to, bro, I got y'all over here. The girl I'm going to, I never went to her before because the woman who was supposed to be doing my makeup, who I used to go to in all my other videos, she was booked up. So I have to cheat on her and I have to go to another makeup artist. I'm sorry if you're watching this video. Oh yeah. But she was booked, honey, so I had to find me another way. And the sad thing about it is I get my makeup done tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning. Prom don't start till 7 p.m. I'm gonna have my makeup on for 7+ hours. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that, and I know my stuff gonna be looking really, ooh, I don't even want to know how my makeup gonna be looking, but hopefully she eat and hopefully it stay on all night and all day. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow in the morning when I get ready to go to my makeup appointment. So I'm gonna get ready to get in the bed and lay down and get some rest.
At the next light, turn left.
Okay, y'all, so this is my finished makeup. I'm gonna show y'all a closer up look once I get home. But I went in, I couldn't record because she said she didn't want her face in the camera, but like she was like, you can just do it before and after. So I only recorded the before. I didn't do it after because I don't know why, bro. Like vibes was really just weird. Like it was like a come in and get out type of situation. But like I understand like she gotta do other people's makeup and stuff, but I don't know. Like we wasn't talking at all. I don't know. It's just like the other girl that I usually go to. We talk, we have conversation, like, you know what I'm saying? She's smiling and stuff, but this girl, I don't know. I feel like she just woke up out of bed. Like it is 9 o'clock in the morning though, so you know what I'm saying? Maybe it just been a little, she must have just been tired. And I'm about to go home. I might go to the hair store and buy me some more lashes because I feel like the makeup ain't right because of the lashes. Like I don't know, the lashes just look like banana peels. I don't know, chat. But at first I didn't like it, but I guess I gotta get used to it because I'm used to Rain doing my makeup. So it's just like I gotta really get used to how she do her makeup. But how she did her makeup on Instagram, my face don't look like that. Why my face don't look like how you did on Instagram? But it's cool. We gotta thug it out. I don't know. I'm trying my hardest like to pull through and not let this ruin my day, but like I really don't like it as much. So yeah. So and then I was trying to give her the money, bro. She was just in there staring at me. Like I don't know what was going on, chat. But on the way home, I'm gonna give my mama a reaction when I get ready to go in there, and we gonna see. I'm gonna start curling my hair like later on, but I'm gonna go ahead and like lay down until my nail appointment and watch TV and get something to eat. So I'm gonna come back when it's time for me to go to my nail appointment, but I'm gonna show y'all my mama reaction first to my makeup. Okay, so I ended up adding these diamonds and then these the lashes that I got from the hair store. I had went and got lashes from the hair store because those were like really skinny and they looked like banana peels. Thought I told y'all that, but I added these on there. I took these off my hair because I'm finna get ready to curl my hair before I get ready to go to my nail appointment. So it's like 10 something. I'm finna lay in the bed until 2 o'clock, and at 2 o'clock I'm gonna start curling my hair, and then 2:30 is my nail appointment. So I'm gonna see y'all when we go to my nail appointment. Okay, so I ended up curling my hair, recurling my hair, putting these in my hair, putting all this other stuff in my hair. It's time to go to the nail appointment, so I'm gonna see y'all at the nail appointment.
NT, you made this?
So y'all, I just left my nail appointment. These are the nails. We went for gold. Period. Okay, but my eye has been running, so it's like it's black in there. So I'm gonna have to try to go home, fix that, dab it with some of my foundation. So I'm gonna get ready to go home, take a shower, then put my dress on, and we finna go and take my pictures. These are my nails. I'm gonna see y'all when I get home, or either I'm gonna see y'all at the photo shoot because I'm gonna be trying to rip and run and get myself together. So I'm gonna just see y'all at the photo shoot.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were gone, then you could manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest, closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do that. You could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy, cause I'm still.
Hey guys, damn. Hey guys, it's 8:09, and so far ain't nobody really here, and the music is lame. But so far everybody looks good. We got Bestie. Hold on, wait, let's get in the light. Prom breakdown. First up, we got Big. Yeah, I got Big Lizzo. It's 18. And prom breakdown. Start with the feet. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't know, none of this shit came from the order, but that ain't the point. Catch me at the after party. Yo, and nobody get like prom lit. And if we're being honest, class of 2026 really came and did that shit. So, cut the video. Hey, so like, yeah. I don't give a fuck what they talking about. Next, prom breakdown. I'm ruining everybody's video. Big Mama. Get into the makeup though. Yeah. Next, breakdown. Oh yeah. Okay, see, it was your better than was okay, my hair. Wait, get my purse. Girl, when you got here? Give me your purse. My purse. Baby, come here. My girl clean up. You can send this to us. You can come in.
2025 prom queen is Kimorakiaira.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were gone, then you could manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest, closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall.